Do you want to feature your dog and be a best woof? Continue watching because we're about to give you some insider tips of what makes a best woof-worthy video. The first type of best woof-worthy videos are those featuring mom dogs and their pups. So melt our hearts with a video of your proud mommy doggo showing off her beautiful pups just like this one. Or show us how mom dogs are so patient and gentle to their pups. Remember, the best woof-worthy mom dog and pup videos are those that capture the magical moments. So don't try to stage everything. Next best woof-worthy clips are those that are owner interactive. I mean the videos where you tell us what you and your pup are up to without actually telling us what you and your pup are up to. Just like this one. So whether you and your fur friend share the same hobby, or you just love creating funny clips with your dog, give us a glimpse into the fun hijinks you and your pup get into. And don't forget to share the cool stunts your pup can do, or at least tries to do. Have more than one pooch? If you do, capture at least 2 of them together in one video. Show us your adorable woof tandem and the fun and the trouble they get into. Capture them in twinning outfits or showcase their personalities and special connection. Relatable, hilarious, and outrageous dog antics are absolutely best woof-worthy. Caught your dog's mischief on video? Share your curious little pup's adventures because he could be a best woof. Capture candid moments of your dog just being a dog. Yep, they just can't help it sometimes. The last, but definitely not least, best woof-worthy videos include any action-packed coolness that would make us wow. Check out this Air Jordan-like jump this pooch nails. Or this guy with his perfect tail flick. Best to film these big wow actions with a wide angle camera to capture your pup without following them and moving the camera around. One important insider tip you should remember is to avoid shaking the camera when shooting. So if you have an unsteady hand, use a stabilizer for your phone. There you have it, 6 best woof-worthy videos to capture. Mom, dog, and pup moments, owner interactive, dog duo, relatable dog antics, mischievous dogs, big wow dog action. Select your best footage and submit your dog's best woof-worthy videos. Don't forget to follow @BestWoof on Instagram